This feels like a cafe sandwich made at home. Today we're making a shrimp and egg sandwich. We're using salad shrimps in this recipe. Start by peeling a hard-cooked egg and cut it using an egg slicer. Then mix together 1/8 of a cup of labneh with 1 tablespoon of sour cream. You can use mayo instead of labneh if you prefer. Then add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and mix the ingredients really well until a smooth texture. Then add a lettuce leaf to a slice of bread. You can use a low-carb bread if you prefer. Then arrange the egg slices evenly on top of the lettuce leaf. Place a dollop of the labneh and sour cream mix on top of the eggs and spread it evenly. And after that, carefully top with 1 cup of cooked, drained cold water shrimp or salad shrimp. And then for the garnish, cut a slice of lemon and a slice of cucumber and cut a slit from the center out on both of them. Then put the cucumber on top of the lemon and fold one end forward and one end backwards and place it on the shrimp, unless you forgot the dill. So place a dill sprig on the shrimp, then put the cucumber on the lemon, fold them into a spiral and put them on the sandwich. And there you have it, a cafe-style shrimp and egg sandwich. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out and I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe.